Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're tackling a huge question for educators everywhere. How in the world do we get our young students ready for a future that's completely powered by AI? We're going to dive into one really interesting approach by breaking down the Young AI Pro certification from a company called Color Coded Kids. Let's see what we can learn from their model.
It's no secret, right? AI is changing literally every industry out there. This isn't just some passing tech trend. It's a massive shift in how the world works, from medicine to music. So for us as educators, the question isn't if our students will use AI, it's how well we're preparing them for it. And honestly, it's not a challenge to be afraid of, it's a huge opportunity for them.
Okay, so first things first, why does dedicated AI education even matter, especially for kids? Let's dig into what some are calling the AI imperative and see what's really driving this new push in schools.
This really is the million-dollar question for all of us, isn't it? And look, this isn't about trying to turn every single student into a coder or a data scientist. It's about giving them the know-how to navigate a world where AI is everywhere. So what does that preparation actually look like in a classroom?
So what do kids actually get out of this? Well, it goes way beyond just the tech stuff. We're talking about building real digital literacy and critical thinking. It's about sharpening their problem-solving skills. And this one is huge, making sure they understand how to use AI safely, responsibly, and ethically. It all ties back to getting them ready for STEM, CTE, and really just life after school by letting them get their hands on this stuff early.
Okay, so that's the what, but what about the how? How do you actually teach this stuff effectively? Well, this program is built around a really fascinating idea called the 100% mastery model. Let's break down what that means for how a student learns.
So what is mastery-based learning? In a traditional classroom, a student might get a C on a test and just move on, even with big gaps in their knowledge. This approach completely flips that. The idea is that you have to prove you totally get a concept before you're even allowed to see the next one. You're building a foundation brick by solid brick with no cracks.
And this right here, this is the magic number, 100%. It's the core of the whole thing. It's a non-negotiable standard. A student can't move forward until they've hit it. There's no just getting by here. There's only getting it.
And really, it all boils down to this philosophy, that 100% mastery is the only way to get to true understanding. The whole point isn't just about passing a quiz, it's about building real, solid skills that students can actually use later on. All right, so we've got the why and the how. Now let's pull back the curtain and see what this actually looks like for a student who's going through the program. What's the journey like?
The whole journey is actually super straightforward and designed so kids can go at their own pace. It's a simple loop. First, you get a short, easy-to-digest lesson. Second, you immediately answer a few questions to see if you got it. Third, and here's where that mastery model kicks in, you have to get them all right to move on. Once you've done that for all the concepts, you earn the certification. It's a really clear and structured path.
So let's dig a little deeper into what that feels like for a student. The lessons are baked right into the test, which is cool. You learn something and you immediately get to practice it and get feedback. If you miss a question, no big deal. The system just has you review that concept again. It's this really tight feedback loop of learning, practicing, and mastering, all using examples that connect to the real world.
Okay, that all sounds great for the student, right? But what about the person at the front of the room, the teacher? This is designed to be what they call a turnkey solution, which is just a fancy way of saying it's supposed to be really easy to get up and running in a classroom. And this breaks it down nicely. For the students, it's all about building confidence and getting real skills they can use. But for teachers, and this is a big one, you don't need to be an AI expert to run this. The idea is that it's super simple to set up and flexible enough to work pretty much anywhere, whether you're in a computer lab or a one-to-one classroom. It's meant to empower teachers, not overwhelm them.
So if you're an educator and this is sounding interesting, you're probably wondering, okay, what's next? How do I actually get this into my classroom? Let's walk through the practical steps.
First up, the pricing. It's a group licensing model, which is pretty standard for schools. And as you can see, the more seats you get for your students, the bigger the discount, which is always nice for school budgets.
And getting started is just a few simple steps. You just go to the website, find the group purchase option, pick the package that works for you, and then you're ready to roll it out and get your students certified.
And of course, if you have any questions at all, they make it super easy to get in touch with a real person, which is always a relief.
And that brings us right back to where we started, with that one big important question. The AI-powered future isn't some far-off thing anymore. It's here now. We've just walked through one way to get our kids prepared.
The only question left is, are your students ready for it?